Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Jewelle. I'm the social media intern for McCall's and Simplicity. A few weeks ago on our Instagram account, we asked you for some advice for some newbies like myself. And you all left such amazing advice and sweet comments, and I want to share a few of my favorites and help out other beginners too. Tip number 1, start with an easy pattern like a pullover top, dress, or skirt. Maybe something like this. And this is really cute. You can even start out with something you'd actually want to wear. Tip number 2, pick out a beginner pattern like this dress, really cute, and make it 3 times. The first time you make it, it's going to be so-so. The second time you make it, it's going to be a little bit better. And the third time, you're going to have a great dress. Tip number 3, before you do anything, make sure you read the entire pattern instructions. This is a really vital step to make sure that you have the best project ever. And you can listen to some great music and just relax and really go over it because it goes through each step that you have to take and you can visualize what you have to do. Tip number 4, make sure to keep your seam ripper handy. A lot of people in the comments said that this would be my new best friend, so I'm interested to see how this thing works. Tip number 5, take breaks and don't sew when you're tired. I hear you make a lot of mistakes when you're trying to sew when you're sleepy, so don't do it. Tip number 6, practice new techniques like buttonholes and zippers on scrap fabric like this. And when you get pretty good at it, you can do it on an actual garment and you won't have to rip it out because it would be pretty good when you first try it. So those are my favorite beginner sewing tips. Thank you so much for your encouraging words. You guys are so great and I can't wait to get started on my first sewing project.